Hello everybody, my name is Medali Morales. Today I will to about two interesting films and choose the best ones to present. First, I want to talk about the movie Fast and Furious. Um, this film was very uh, exciting and full of action. And it told the story of a group of drivers who did dangerous races and for uh, criminals. Um, the main car, um, characters owes Dominic to Toretto and um, you who's strong and bright. He drove a fast car, escapes from the police in and protects his family. While they were racing, the police were chasing them. The movie uh, had amazing things and special effects. I really liked this movie because it was very intense and entertainment. Uh, on, on the other hand, I want to talk about movies uh, Titanic. This film was more emotional and romantic. Uh, it tells us the story of Jack and Rose, roommates on ship uh, on fail in flat. Jack was poor, but he was very kind and happy. Rose was rich, but she felt sad and controlled. Uh, whilst they were traveling, the ship hit iceberg. Many uh, people were trying to save whites and the situation was very dangerous. I love this movie because it was beautiful but all, all very sad. In, compa- in comparison, Fast, Fast and Furious on working in castings than Titanic. Uh, However, Titanic was more emotion, emotional and dramatic. In addition, Fast and Furious had more action essence. Whilst Titanic had a desperate story. In conclusion, I think Fast and Furious is the most interesting movie to present in class because uh, is, it is more dynamic, modern, and interesting. Thank you.